Hey you guys, so today we are doing a review on this ovulation and early pregnancy test, and this comes in a pack of 10 for ovulation test, and then there are 3 pregnancy tests here, and it does say 99.99% accurate. I love that you don't need to use a cup for this. I mean, I've used ovulation tests and you have to, most of them you got to use a cup for it. So I love that it's convenient. Same thing with the pregnancy test is you don't need a cup as well. So I love that this all comes in a kit. And then on the back here, there are directions up here for the ovulation and then directions down here for the pregnancy test. Okay, so it looks like everything in here is color coded. We're just going to take everything out so that we know what's all inside of the box here. And okay, so there are some directions right here as well. And again, I love that everything is color coded. The directions here it's all in color, so that's awesome. All right, so I just did my test and I'm just doing this as a demo test, but you can see that there are 2 lines here. One is a test, you can see the T, and one is a C for control. So it does look pretty solid there, pretty clear, which means that I'm ovulating. And then if you look here, the pregnancy test, it says not pregnant because you only see the 1 line. So there you go. It was very easy to use.